everybody. So this is a Destash video, and the theme of this one is wedding and some spring items as well. Alright, so I'm going to get started. We've got a spool, I guess they call it, of ribbon. It says Happily Ever After. This is brand new. I've not used this. I have 3 of these, so I'm going to give you guys 2 of them. Keep one for myself. These are also brand new. There's an adorable little Jolie's tuxedo wedding themed with got some rings and a little bouquet, or maybe that's a boutonniere because it's for the tuxedo theme. This really cute wedding recollections sticker, be cute for a card. I'm also throwing in these really pretty borders. These be cute for cards or layouts. I've used them for both, so just throwing those in there. And here's some recollections. These are stickers. These are flowers. These are crocheted, and I did get these at Michael's, and I just went crazy when I saw these and bought so many of them. Probably not ever going to use them up. This is also the same as the one that I just showed you. These are recollections stickers. These are really pretty foil seals for envelopes. That's the intention, but obviously you can use them for whatever you want because you all are creative. The little sticker here, if you ever have bought the Destash stuff from me, I was trying to sell this at a garage sale and I just never took the sticker off. This has never been used. Studio 112, I believe that's a Joanne brand, and those are stickers. And then this is really cute. This is for spring. I mean, that would be so cute for a card, right? I have a couple of these, so have fun with that. Same with this. This is the same theme. Studio 18 is the name brand. Here's some really pretty pearl bling. Here's some K & Company bling. I did use this one right here, so this one is partially used. There's 3 of these. This is the wedding, the bride, the groom, I do, soulmate. I have 6 of these, so you guys can have all 3 of them. We'll never use those up. This one I thought was interesting. I do not ever remember buying this. They're epoxy stickers, and I liked the color of them. They're like a goldish color, but I have 2 of them, so you guys can have that. This is a color box, which I believe is a Walmart brand, page kit. And in this one there's 8.5 by 11 papers. This is a sample of a layout. And then there's also some stickers, some punch outs, some other layered stickers, and it looks like there's some chipboard in there. And then here's some paper. This is really cute. This says Joy, Groom, Romance. Now for these, when I buy paper like this, I use them for 2 things. I can either do a complete layout on them, or I cut out the little strips of the sentiments and I use them as, like, not journaling tags, but just little additions to the layout. Here is a recollections. This is a black and gray and white. There's 2 of them here. Wedding Words, it's called. I thought this is just really cute as part of the whole packet. And there's a light gray and a dark gray. It's like a plaid. This one here is from Recollections. And I thought that would be cute as a wedding theme, or yeah, whatever you guys want to use it for. I also thought I'd throw in some pink polka dot paper. And this one's from Recollections. And I'm not sure what this is here. This is Paper Studio, so that's Hobby Lobby. So we're going to throw that one in here. Okay, so this is my scale that I got from stamps.com when I joined their thing. And when I put this on there, it's 1.15. Now, that doesn't include the envelope. So I looked to see on stamps.com like which is the least expensive way of shipping this. And depending on where you live, it's going to cost about $8. Once I get your zip code, then I'll be able to also it'll also calculate like that. And then I do put it in a large envelope. I can barely see it because it's all taking the camera up here, but I cut it down in size just to make it a little bit less expensive. Alright, so this paper, this pack, Destash pack, is for $10. And the way this works, if you're new to this, is the first person that emails me at cardcreationsbykim@gmail.com, you have the first rights to it. You have 24 hours after I send the PayPal invoice to you, so I will need your email address, but obviously I'll get that when you email me. And so you have 24 hours to pay, and if for some reason something happens or you decide not to buy it, it will go to the next person in line, and so on and so on. All right, so here you go, Destash video, wedding in spring, and have fun with it.